Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick summary on Suno. Actually, I meant a quick review on Suno. You see, Suno is about music, creating music with prompts. You can start with a simple prompt or dive into their pro editing tools and you have your next track just a step away. For example, you can say create a country song about my friend just being late again. Type in your idea here and click on create. As simple as that. So you get mind-blowing song quality, whether you have a melody in your head, lyrics you've written, or just a feeling you want to hear. Suno makes high-quality music creation accessible to all. You can see so many great hits here. So you get from idea to a hit. You get great music that moves people. You can generate a song with AI from prompts, images, or videos. Create playlists for every mood and moment. Write original lyrics effortlessly. Record or upload your audio and shape it into a song. Get themes for full creative control. Join a thriving music community. Explore and you can get inspired. You can step into a world where music is at your fingertips and like-minded artists are in your corner. Here they are, producers. You see them. Just start making music, type in text and click on create. So you can make music wherever you are, discover, create, and share from anywhere. Music has no boundaries at Suno. You can download it on your Android or your iOS device. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.